We're gonna get into some hamstring work. So we got our Swiss ball here. We wanna get our heel in the middle of the ball. Place your hands out to the side so you're at good support. I'm going to lift my hips up off the ground. This opposite leg, you can place wherever it feels most comfortable. I typically bend my leg here, and I'm gonna curl the ball in, making sure it's coming straight in and straight back out. I wanna get a full extension on the way out and pulling in and pressing out, full extension. As I curl in, I'm thinking about some downward pressure into the ball. I'm trying to pop the ball, squish it into the ground as I pull and back out. This exercise, it's gonna really depend on how strong your hamstrings are. You wanna build up to doing about 12 to 15 reps per side. Same thing in that 2 to 4 sets.